Let us now look at the next option that is available in the payments tab, that is orders. That's this. You have options like orders and abandoned checkouts. Click on orders. When I click on orders, I get a list of all the orders that I have received. Now there's nothing much that you can actually do here. This is more of a report. Track all order submissions in a place, start date. You can filter the report, you can search for any particular name, you can click on filter, payment status, payment mode, source type, and all of this. And you can also download all the orders. So there's nothing much hanky panky about this particular tab. Similarly, for abandoned checkouts, if you have set up the products and if you are having abandoned checkout, that is incomplete online checkouts that were not processed, you would find a list of all those orders right. So that's abandoned checkouts. Not much, just a report for you to have a look at, and we'll move on to the next one.